Welcome to the Women in AI Research channel. I'm your host, Ekaterina, and I have recently returned from an incredible week at NeurIPS 2025 in San Diego. The conference is now over, but I am continuing to share all the most interesting insights, research highlights, and behind-the-scenes moments with you. Let's dive into today's NeurIPS highlights.
So I'm Leilani Gilpin. I'm an assistant professor of computer science at UC Santa Cruz, and I'm here as a mentor at WIML, that's Women in Machine Learning, and I'm at the Robust and Trustworthy ML table.
Why did you decide to be the mentor here?
Yeah, so, I think especially in our field in AI and machine learning, there are so few women, and I think it's really important to help inspire the next generation. I've been lifted up by generations of women who really set the groundwork for being able to do this type of work. And so I really want to be here and give back.
That's very nice. Is it your very first time at the Women in Machine Learning, or you're not the first time?
No, I've been going to WIML for years. I think actually my first NeurIPS, I think I came specifically for WIML. And now I try and go every year, whether it's at NeurIPS or other conferences. I definitely try and stop by.
Are you coming as a mentor every time, or as a presenter, keynote speaker?
Oh, yeah. So here I'm coming as a mentor, but usually I come just to listen and talk to people and network. I think it's a really lovely community, and especially within NeurIPS, which is such a big conference, it's so nice to have a set space where we can talk about science and AI and connect with other women in the field.
Right. So the topic that you're mentoring on right now is trustworthy ML. What can you say about the importance of this topic?
So I'm biased because, it's the area that we work on in my lab. So my lab is called the AI Explainability and Accountability Lab, IAF. And what we work on is creating trustworthy, reliable AI and machine learning for a multitude of different applications. So we think a lot of what happens in self-driving cars. So if a self-driving car gets in an accident, how do we take into account who is at fault? How do we assign blame? And how do we fix it? And we also think about this in other applications, from vision language models, large language models. We work a lot on interpretability and explainability. And again, I think as we have AI that's taking control of decisions that were previously entrusted to humans, we have to have trustworthy, reliable systems. And so it's a really important field, especially as we have people using these technologies that aren't aware of how they work.
Right. And our audience has a lot of young researchers, early stage PhD students. Many of them are women. What would you advise to those people?
Yeah, I would say keep going. You guys are doing great. I know that, there can be so many challenges along the way, and, I hope to see you here for years to come.